Good morning and welcome to a breezy Oxnard, California. Today we'll be showcasing the Sideshift ST230 stern thruster system installed on a Robalo R317 by Integrated Marine Systems in Newport Beach. We'll also be speaking with the owner to get his perspective on the installation and what the system's like to use out on the water.
I have been boating for more than 30 years now. I have owned 20-footer Yamaha, 25-footer Grady White, and 31-footer Robalo. I decided to add a thruster because my dock area is very tight and it gets really windy in this neighborhood, so it will make the docking much easier for me. I choose Sideshift because they've been known in the industry and it's much easier to install the Sideshift on the outboards and not to make a hole below the water line. I had integrated marine systems to install the thrusters for me. Yeah, the Sideshift thrusters are super easy to operate. My wife loves the system. She's a pilot and actually she loves to maneuver the boat with the Sideshift thrusters. Yes, I use a lanyard. It makes the docking much easier, especially when you're by yourself and you need to go to the back of the boat to make sure that you have enough clearance to dock the boat. My favorite part to having a Sideshift is, number one, they're super powerful, easy to use, quiet, and the most important thing is that they don't make a hole below the water line in your boat. I do recommend Sideshift thrusters to anyone else, especially if they have outboard motors.
Simply put, the Sideshift delivers powerful, responsive, and quiet performance in a package that's both easy to install and leaves no holes below the waterline. Plus, a wireless joystick and fob, giving the system intuitive controls and providing confidence in any condition.